Morning, everyone. It's a few minutes before 9. This is your pre-opening comment, video number 217. I have the oil chart up this morning because I wanted to show you what it looks like. After the big sell-off, and just so you understand, this is a chart of the nearest in month. So while the June didn't trade down at $6.50, clearly before it went off, we know that the May did. So we have a bottom here at 650, and then we had a rally all the way back to 1826 in here. We came back down and tested 3 days ago that $10 area. The low was 1007, and now we're moving higher. Today we've already traded 1780, although right now we're only, that's regardless, only up $1.80 at 1685. This is pretty classic, with this big blow off, a rally back up to just under the initial break around 19 and a half or $20, a test of that low, and starting back up. So this is that 1826. I would expect to have some trouble in here in the $20 area, but it is pretty impressive. I'm going to pull up the let's see, the S&P. We're down for the first time in 6 days this morning, and we're not down much. We've been up as high as this 2965, which was slightly higher than yesterday and last evening's high, and now we're back down here at around 2920. I see really no reason why we wouldn't, come back into this 2875, 2850 area. But as you know, I've been wrong pretty consistently on where supply is here. The futures are down this morning. We had some news. We had the jobs number, which was initial claims, 3.8 million. That's about what it was last week. And that really didn't hurt the market much. But personal income down 2% versus expected down 1.3%. Personal spending down 7.5% versus an expected down 5%. And from Europe, we have Christine Lagarde talking about that the ECB is going to have to increase stimulus because they are facing a recession of, as she put it, unprecedented magnitude, expecting a number somewhere between what we're expecting, down 5% for the year, and down 12%. So they're going to throw as much money as they possibly can at the problem. They're talking about, very low cost bank loans and purchases across the board in corporates. Last night we had Facebook. Earnings were terrific. The stock was up about 10% this morning. It's 207 up 13, so that's pretty healthy. Same with Microsoft, which beat top and bottom. It's up $2. And Tesla, which hit 874 overnight, currently trading 855, which is actually about up 50 from where we closed. And as I mentioned in last night's video, that up 50 was on top of an up 38 going into the number. This morning we've had McDonald's with mixed reviews, revenue down. The stock is currently trading down 4 at 183. Dow Chemical beat, but is slightly lower. And Twitter had great internal numbers. They missed on earnings. They beat on revenues, and the stock was as high as 35.47. Unfortunately, it's given it all back and is currently trading around 29.15, which is down about $1. So, in short, wouldn't be surprised to see 28.75 or lower in here. And have a good day, folks.